So over the last 4 years, since we set up our young center, it's now 4 years. I would like to kind of give a perspective on what this center is all about. The purpose that we stand for is clear. It's a multidisciplinary center for biomedical product development and commercialization. Now, 4 years ago, when we set this up, we would not have anticipated the present context where biomedical products, biomedical engineering industry itself has been lifted to a level of prominence, and more so in countries like ours that really depend on uh, foreign aid, I suppose, to bring in medical equipment, and we wait for others to kind of do our work. So, so this is, I think, timely that we actually have a center of this nature. And we have this saying in our logo that we want to be the pulse of the future. So 4 years ago, we would not have anticipated something like that, but we are glad that the center got established so that today we are in a position to gather with our community of, I guess, experts to be able to move forward in this mission. So, so while we are into product development, of course, product is not the only outcome of what we do. There are publications, prototypes, patents, and other things that will also come into this equation in terms of our outcomes. And certainly, our focus is to keep growing this initiative in order that we can actually communicate and to connect with the large audience. So in that regard, I really want to thank you for being part of it, part of this workshop, as well as this is also an invitation for you to engage with us in whatever capacity that you can, because we really need to work with the larger community. So our focus, while being mainly biomedical product development, we also want to invest our time and our resources into biomedical research as well as biomedical education. And as you can see, our roots are wide and widely spread, and we need the support of industry, of regulators, of other research groups and expertise groups in order for us to sustain a healthy, growing ecosystem. So, so what we're going to witness today is some of those success stories that are coming out of, the speakers who are associated with our center. Some projects born out of the university, some that actually got initiated outside. But regardless, this is a collective story, a perspective that we are able to share today of the different areas that we've been involved in. So in a simplistic way, I'd like to present to you the product development process that we have kind of simplified for ourselves. Essentially, when a product is to be developed, it comes in the form of a prototype. So our center here is what will take that prototype and nurture it in order that we are able to connect with a commercial partner, a manufacturer, distributor, a retailer, in order to bring that into the market. And we continually provide feedback and support in terms of R&D to continue to grow that product. And we focus on three pillars of in terms of our product focus, which is the diagnosis area, therapeutic, and wellness. So this is a simplified version of the product development process and the commercialization process. But today you will get to hear different speakers bringing in or highlighting different aspects connected to this process. So I really want to welcome all of you. I want you to encourage you to stay through the whole workshop if possible, and enjoy as well as interact, and especially this is an invitation for you to connect even beyond this workshop and stay engaged with our community. So thank you, Dr. Gayani, for giving me the opportunity, and over to you.